can you bridge the gap between students attending your lecture and actually mastering the material? Empower your students to drive their own active recall by generating personalized knowledge checks with Gemini. Imagine you've just delivered a mechanical engineering lecture on the second law of thermodynamics. Now, task your students with turning their lecture notes into a dynamic self-assessment. In Gemini, students should upload their notes and then enter this prompt. Generate a 10-question multiple-choice quiz based only on these lecture notes. Within seconds, Gemini builds the interactive quiz, allowing students to tackle questions and pull up hints whenever they need support. While designed for individual mastery, students can also take the quiz alongside peers on screen to debate their answers and deepen their conceptual understanding together. To extend this idea, the quiz summary screen offers options to analyze my performance to find growth areas, or instantly generate a set of flashcards or a custom study guide based on their results. This process models active learning and encourages students to take ownership of their own academic progress. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to gemini.google.com to get started.